What's up, everybody? We are back with another video and another brand new 2026 Matchbox 5-pack. Today we're going to take a look at British Roadways. You know, a while ago I bought 10 of these 5-packs for €5 each at Aldi Süd here in Germany, which is a pretty good deal for 5 Matchbox models. And the best thing about this set is all new versions, no re-releases. So let's take a quick look at the packaging. Our cover car here is the 1956 Jaguar XK140 Roadster, also here on the back. And here on the side you see all the models that are in the pack. 2 Fords, 1 Jag, 1 Bentley, 1 Range Rover. Let's slide them out, take a look at them. And here is our first one. A casting that I really like. Came out, I think, 2 years ago. It's the 1983 Ford Fiesta MK2, now in a pretty nice black metallic livery. I mean, it's such a small car and so well executed, in my opinion. Really like this one. So we get some details on the front headlights and the Ford badge. This is the back side. Ford Fiesta MK2 license plate. Some taillight details, pretty nice. So the interesting thing about this casting is it's always right-hand drive. Let's bring out the other versions we've seen so far, and it's only been 2 versions that we've seen so far. This guy here in kind of a light green, and we also seen a red version. I think this was the first one we have seen. Really nice. I love these colors. I mean, it's kind of 80s vibes, you know. And we also have some interesting detail here in the back. I think it's pretty hard to see on camera. Maybe you can see it. There's kind of a ghetto blaster in the back. I think they're flying some tapes around there. As one downside, you know, you can see the post in the back pretty obviously. But that's the best thing about the black version. It's not so obvious. So let's put this guy into the parking lot as we go on with the next model, which is the 1956 Jaguar XK140 Roadster. So I don't have any other version of this casting because I mean, it's just not my era of cars. 1950s, 60s, 70s, not so my thing. So there we go. But I think it's a pretty good model in my opinion, and a pretty nice version on top of that. So this one comes in a very nice red livery. We get details on the front grille and headlights, and also a license plate on the back and a chrome base. So we get a chrome bumper on the front and on the back. And yeah, this makes this thing look pretty good. And I also think these wheels are a perfect match for this model. So let's put it in the parking lot as we go on with the next one, which is this guy here, the Ford Capri. In, yeah, kind of I don't know how you call that color, dirty yellow or something, whatever. You see, we don't get any details on the back, just some headlight details. And of course you can see we get yeah, a black hood. The strange thing is, in my opinion, I have to be honest, I don't know how the original models in reality looks. The strange thing is we have also this part here painted in black, and also here on the side of the window. So yeah, it looks a little bit strange. I don't know if this is intended, maybe, no idea. You get the Ford lettering on the front of the model. The base is gray. So you see we get the gray bumpers, which in my opinion, not the best choice always. I think the wheels are a pretty good match. I don't have too many other versions of this guy. When did this model came out? 2020. To be honest, I have only one other version, and it's pretty interesting. This thing was in a 5-pack last year, I think, and we had 5 models with yeah, kind of the same livery like on this Ford Capri. So into the parking lot it goes as we go on with the 2018 Bentley Bentayga in yeah, what is that? Lavender metallic. I think that's a pretty cool color. I mean, we don't get too much deco on these models, but it's pretty cool. So kind of clean version. So this is the back, taillights, and Bentley license plate. Front looks pretty cool, Bentley grille and headlights and a license plate. And we get black rims, which is a pretty good match for this one. So here's the thing. The interesting thing about this casting is, as you can see, the windows are completely blacked out. This model doesn't have an interior for some reason, which is kind of strange for a premium brand. I don't know why they did this. Maybe it did cost more to, yeah, you know, look for some other details, but whatever. I mean, the color is pretty cool, and I really like the wheel choice. So let's take a look at the other versions. I think I'm only missing one. So we've seen it in white and in red, and we have also seen a black version. I have to be honest, I'm not 100% sure. I think I'm missing a blue version of this guy. When did this model came out? In 2020. So there we go. Let's put our lavender Bentley in the parking lot as we take a look at our last model, which is the 2014 Range Rover Evoque. Comes in a pretty interesting green. I mean, it's not the really British racing green, but you know, kind of, yeah, kind of a metallic version. I think it's always pretty hard to describe these colors, but whatever. That's the back. We get some details, Evoque on the license plate, some taillight details, and this is the front, also not so bad. Really cool that we get all new versions of all these models. This one came out in 2015. So there are several versions of this one, but I only have one other version, which is this one. I think this is a pretty nice pair in orange and this green, by the way. Same wheels on these guys. So yeah, that's basically it for this 5-pack. Well, I said it in the beginning, but I think €5 for 5 Matchbox models nowadays, a pretty good deal in my opinion. You know, everything gets more and more expensive. So here we have our 5 models. As always, I'm picking a favorite, and guess what? For sure, it's the Ford Fiesta in this new version. I really like this small car. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Happy hunting and see you next time.